Beautiful earth star. Look at this plant. I got it online today and I thought of repotting it since this grow bag is too small and also the roots are outside the soil. So I thought of repotting this plant. Earth star plant is best in indirect sunlight. If you have a window where you get the morning sunlight, you can just leave it. Such a beautiful texture. So, and they need well draining soil, and I have prepared that. It should be well draining and the moisture balance of the soil should be there. Take 1/3 of garden soil, 1/3 of sand and 1/3 of compost. So now I'm going to put it in this pot, and this we going to keep it here. Do not keep it in direct sunlight. Leave the plant where you get the shady sunlight in the garden. This beautiful foliage of this plant is really beautiful. So that is why I got it down from online. And water when necessary. It's a real tropical plant. So water when necessary. So now I have put it in the pot. My soil is already mixed with water, so I don't need to water it again. I'll be leaving it with my other plants. So I hope you enjoyed repotting this earth star plant.